Hey everyone, so iOS 16.5 came out recently, and with this update came many new features, but one of the side effects are that many people have been experiencing battery issues. So in this video, I'll be showing you some steps you could take to increase your iPhone's battery. So the first step you could take to save your iPhone battery is just to turn off AirDropping. And to do this, all you need to do is open the Control Center and hold on this section and press on the AirDrop button and press on receiving off. Now, if you're not using the internet, one thing I suggest you do is turn off the Wi-Fi and the cellular data on your iPhone, because those two things actually take up a lot more battery than you think. Now, another thing you didn't know is that there are actually a lot of apps running in the background that take up a lot of battery. And to fix this, just go into settings and search for background app refresh. And then you can choose what apps run in the background, or you can entirely turn off background app refresh by opening this setting and pressing on off. Now here's a helpful tip for you to preserve your iPhone battery long term. So to do this, just go into settings and open battery, then tap on battery health and charging, and make sure that optimized battery charging is on, and this setting will help preserve your maximum battery capacity on your iPhone. Now this one might seem quite obvious, but if you go into battery, then enable low power mode, a lot of people do not realize just how big of a difference this makes on your iPhone's battery health. And if you read the description right below it, it'll say low power mode temporarily reduces background activity like downloads and mail fetch until you can fully charge your iPhone. So there is one small feature that you might want to check in settings, and basically just go back into here and select display brightness, then go down to auto lock, and then select either 30 seconds or 1 minute. So now every single time you accidentally leave your iPhone on, it'll automatically turn off, which will save your iPhone battery. Now the last two things you should disable here in settings is notifications and fetching mail. And to disable the notifications, just go over to the notification option here in settings, then scroll down to here and select what apps you don't want to receive notifications from. And this is actually going to help preserve your iPhone battery, because notifications do take up a better battery from your iPhone. Now the other option you should disable is fetching mail, and to do this, just search for fetch new data, and once you're over here, just select either manually or hourly. So the last method you should do to save your iPhone battery is just to set a black wallpaper, and to do this, just open your notification center and hold down on the wallpaper and go ahead and add a new one, then press on color and select the color options and press on black, then select solid, and then press on add, press on set as wallpaper pair. So now every single time you're on the lock screen or the home screen, your iPhone battery will be saved, because there will be less light coming from your iPhone screen. Now, if none of these tricks work for you that well and your iPhone continues to experience battery drain, one last thing you could do is buy a battery case using the link in the description. And these battery cases are actually not that expensive, and they make your battery last a lot longer. Now that is it for the iOS 16.5 battery tips. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.